Hey everyone, Monkey Wrench Mike. We are back in Tulsa, Oklahoma after a fantastic vacation in Fort Myers, Florida, where we checked out another auto auction. Here is the Copart facility here in Tulsa. Lots of cars and trucks and motorhomes and everything you could ever want to park in your yard or on your driveway. And some of them a little toasty, some of them near perfect, some of them old school, and some of them old lady. If you drive a Buick Lucerne and you're not an old lady, I'm sorry, I apologize to you, but that's a grandma's car, so I don't know, is that something we should check out since I'm a grandpa? I don't know. Let's do it. This is the first. I don't think I've ever focused on a Buick Lucerne. Yes. Anyway, grandma hit something or something hit grandma, but this car, ooh, it's got the fancy pinstripes. Look at that. Okay, this is a 2008 Buick Lucerne CX with fancy pinstriping. That's, oh, nice Continental tires with lots of tread. Okay, that's good. Wouldn't you really rather drive a Buick, as they say? I had one. The only Buick I've ever owned was a Buick Riviera from like 1985 with the front wheel drive and all the fake plasticky wood. Anyway, yeah, someone hit grandma or something happened because you're gonna need a new fender. Your headlight's okay. This is dented and cracked over here, so you need a hood and you need a grill and a bumper. But you see these in salvage yards all the time, at least I do. Do I want to spend a lot of time on this car? No. Do you want me to spend a lot of time on this car? I don't know. What do you think? We've had the airbag go off. We have the windshield completely destroyed. And we've got a pendulum rearview mirror right there. Okay, let's see what's going to happen. Is she even going to try? No, she's dead as a doorknob. So people come on and they just leave these things to drain the batteries. Why? This is, it's rent-a-car to me. Rent-a-car plane, okay? This is just not in my wheelhouse. I don't know, I'm sorry. I could try to give it a start. I think we're just gonna move on and find something more interesting. I like this. I like the bejeweled little on button. That's a nice touch. All right, but let's find something that kind of speaks to me. This is a Lexus from 2019. This is the LS500. Oh, and look how they supersized the grille. Is that crazy? Look at that. Yeah, they started small and then they supersized, and look at the lights. It's almost like a Z. That's nice. They even have the Lexus right there. This is a beautiful car. Yeah, 2019 LS500. Oh, the tires, the wheels are good. The body is good. This is gorgeous. So why are you here, my pretty? Tulsa Police Foundation. Support your local men and women in blue. Oh, she got T-boned. That's terrific. That's not terrific. That is pretty severe. That is, see how this is open? You can still open it though, so the occupants are fine. The side curtain did what it was supposed to do. Looks like an airbag came out of the back seat too. The problem is, right there, this car, oh my goodness, this is gonna be expensive because you gotta replace or fix this. Okay, your B-pillar down to the support, even down through here, and you need both doors, airbags, probably an airbag on the front seat too. I don't even think you can open this door. Oh, you can. Lexus, look at that. Even after getting T-boned, you have access. You can get out of the vehicle. Yep. This airbag deployed. Look at this seat though. Oh, this was nice. Look at the stitching. This looks like Alcantara. Whew. We got the wood here, leather here, probably heated and cooled seats, but look at the damage. Yeah, that's extensive. That's why she's here. And it still closes. Wow, good job, Lexus. paint protection. And I love that. I mean, the hourglass, is that a takeoff on something else that is an hourglass figure? I don't know. But this was nice. Let's see if she has power. It's too much to be, well, unless you own a body shop. Or unless you're an idiot like me. Okay, we do have power. Only 48,000 miles. Oh. Fancy. LS, look at this. Look at that. How do you select OK? Oh, look at this. Woo, this is fun. Oh, this is nice. Very sporty. I don't know if I like these little turn signals or whatever they are. Snow, custom, comfort, normal, custom. Oh, this changes your display. And the comfort, eco mode, comfort, eco. Where's custom? Sport. It changes color for sport. 84 degrees outside. It is a beautiful day. Oil maintenance required soon. Air conditioner is so cold. Well, it's 4 years old. It should be. And it's a Lexus. Look at the fancy clock in there. Hidden, well, behind the glass, or the plastic, rather. We have a suspension that lifts the car. We have a rear shade. Can you see it going? Yeah, there it is. Oh, that's quiet. That was really quiet. That was nice. And we have seat controls. I love this. This is really cool. Let's go to menu, communications, audio. What do they listen to? Oh, select source. What do they listen to? Here's this. I don't know. I'm not familiar with any of these radio channels. I don't know. But oh my goodness. I like this. It is comfortable. And I love the stitching on the door. And look how this comes out. It's not attached. Well, it's attached right back there, but you can't see it. It's like a floating armrest slash. Look how that kind of mimics that. That's for your remote. It kind of mimics your door panel. That is cool. Nice little touch. Okay, but see how the armrest kind of floats right here? I love that. All right, well, this is beyond what I can do. It is a beautiful car, and it sounds amazing. Let's check out the engine real quick. Here you go. See, you can't even see it. Twin turbo? Oh, nice. Engine oil, 0W20. And it's as solid as a rock. As smooth as glass. And it runs like a sewing machine. How many cliches can I work into the next minute, huh? Yeah, I'm like a kid in a candy store out here. Not like a bull in a china shop. I'm living large and loving life here at Copart. That's enough. That's enough of those things. But she runs great. Whoa. And she's a big girl. She's bigger than she looks. What does this do? Yeah, she'll get down the road. Okay. And there's nothing on the radio. All right, lovely Lexus. Thank you. Love this. Love you. But I can't help you. I'm very sorry. So we're going to move on. Let's stay with the Lexus theme right here. 2013 Lexus GS350. But what makes it amazing is the F-sport. All right. This is a speed demon. Yeah, this is 303 horsepower, I think. 0 to 60, 5.5 seconds, something like that. Unbelievable. Here's your damage. Just get a toilet plunger, suck that right back out, and you're good to go. The little tabs are still good. Really, I could fix that so easily. Get some hot water right down here, pop that back out, or you can use a heat gun to soften the plastic. It remembers how it used to go. It'll pop right back out. And you have just fixed your car for free. This is nice. Black over black with charcoal wheels, a little bit of tread left on them. These are Nexen tires. This too has paint protection and a much smaller grille than the LS500. Oh, this is a nice car. This is even paint protection right here. Look at that. That's fancy. That is really fancy. What else do you like on the, oh, yes. Oh, my goodness. You are gorgeous. And someone has, this is my view. Someone has been low riding this car. Wow. See, hold on. How do you drive like this? I can't even see. That's my vision right there. Whoa, you've really got to set up to do this. So let's, is she going to start? I think so. Absolutely. System check is good. Look at this. Look what's happening right here. I got to switch the camera around real quick. Well, this says it's 84 degrees outside. We have all kinds of stuff here on the display. Oh my goodness. This, oh, I love it. The color of the seats, this kind of a, almost a wine red. It's between red and burgundy. This is gorgeous. It's not as big as the LS. It's not as roomy as the LS. Can you hear that? Here, let me hang my little microphone out here. Oh, that's nice. That's really nice. Where's the air conditioning? Because we definitely need that. Automatic. Temperature down. I don't know how you turn it on. Off. Recirculate. Fan. Here we go. Yes. Give me some air, please. Look at these little things right here. Heated steering wheel. Headlights, traction control. Audio is off. You get a little bitty sunroof right here. This is a little speed demon. Let's look under the hood and see what we got. And there you go. As quiet as can be. Yeah, what'd I say? 303 horsepower. Oh my. I do need a Lexus in my life. This is so nice. Why? So why are you here though? Other than that, that is the reason you're here. The little, she's dirty in the back. Yeah, that's a hot mess. But she'll clean up so easily. So the little dent and the rear bumper, that brought you here? Really? This right here. This is why you are here. It's just not fair. I'm sorry, it's not. Life is not fair. Where's the here. There we go. What's in the trunk, my pretty? Oh, someone's been digging in here. Okay, so you have a cover. Is there a spare? Here we go. Yep, there's your spare. Even, okay. Yeah, well, this is dirty. Looks like somebody had kids. And they wore this when they, USA, when they won their little kindergarten Olympic team. Yeah, okay. Nice. First aid kit as well. So, all-wheel drive GS350 F-sport. I love it. Question is, do you love it? Is this something you would like to park in your garage? You're gonna have to beat me to it. No, this is just a great example of things that you can find here at Copart. Super easy fixes, save yourself thousands, and have a really, really nice, fast, enjoyable car. I like that a lot. We're gonna have to mark it down and watch that one. Okay, folks, thank you for watching this video. We're back with another one very, very soon. We're continuing to work on that 500,000-mile Escalade, my wagon twins, and that ML55 AMG that I have always, always, always wanted. So stay tuned for videos about those vehicles, all right? Have a great day. We'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.